Hi children and hi parents. Today we are going to take with the new chapter, start with the new chapter that is lesson 4 Choti Ka Kamal. Part 4 Choti Ka Kamal. Here the meaning of Choti Ka Kamal, the caption, the heading Choti Ka Kamal. Choti means small, but here it is said about a child. Her name is Choti and Kamal means amazing. So the amazing small child, the girl child, small child. Okay, so now this is a poem, it's a kavita, and here you can see that two children, one boy and one girl, the comparison is going on between the boy and the girl. That is, the boy himself is comparing to that girl. And see, let's see what happens through this in the poem. Okay, ready children? So first I'll recite the poem and after that I'll explain line by line and after that I'll give you the difficult word meaning. So be ready. So let's start. समर सिंह ते बहुत अकड़ते, समर सिंह ते बहुत अकड़ते, चोटी कितनी छोटी, चोटी कितनी छोटी, मैं हूँ आलू भरा पराठा, मैं हूँ आलू भरा पराठा, छोटी पतली रोटी, छोटी पतली रोटी, मैं हूँ लंबा मोटा तगड़ा, मैं हूँ लंबा मोटा तगड़ा, छोटी पतली दुबली, छोटी पतली दुबली, मैं मोटा पटसन का रस्सा, मैं मोटा पटसन का रस्सा, छोटी कच्ची सुतली, छोटी कच्ची सुतली, लेकिन जब बैठे सीसो पर, लेकिन जब बैठे सीसो पर होश ठिकाने आए, होश ठिकाने आए, चोटी जा पहुंची चोटी पर, चोटी जा पहुंची चोटी पर, समर सिंह चकराए, समर सिंह चकराए. So did you understand? This is the poem. Now what I will do is I'll read line by line and I'll explain that line. Okay, ready children? So the first line. Samar Singh te bahut akadte, that is the child, the boy child's name is Samar Singh. And how was he? Bahut akadte. Samar Singh te bahut akadte. How was he? He was very arrogant. Who? Samar Singh, the boy, he was very arrogant. Arrogant means very proud of himself. Choti kitni choti. Now about the small girl, Choti. Kitni choti, but she was very small. So he is comparing himself. He is saying that he is Samar Singh te bahut akadte. He is very arrogant and Choti is very small. मैं हूँ आलू भरा पराठा. And what is the boy saying? मैं हूँ आलू भरा पराठा. I am like a paratha and full of potatoes in it. I am like just like a paratha. But what about Choti? Choti patli roti. Choti is just like a thin bread, thin slice, thin bread, piece of bread she is. Next one. मैं हूँ लंबा मोटा तगड़ा. The boy is saying himself that मैं हूँ लंबा. I am very long. Mota. I am very fat. And tagda, I am very strong. So the boy is saying that I am very long, I am very fat and I am very strong. Choti patli dubli. And what is it saying? Choti patli dubli. The boy is saying that Choti is very slim, very thin to see. So did you understand that stanza? Now the next stanza. मैं मोटा पटसन का रस्सा. The boy is saying that I am just like a thick rope made up of jute. I am just like a thick rope made up of jute. Choti kachi sutli. But what about Choti? She is like a thin thread. She is like a thin tiny thread she is. So there the comparison is being going on. Now see what happens. लेकिन जब बैठे seesaw पर, when they both sat there on the seesaw. Did you see? This is a picture of seesaw. Did you see the boy and the girl? So they sat on the seesaw. In the playground we'll be seeing that seesaw, isn't it? Children will be playing in that. So what happened when the boy, the Samar Singh and Choti sat on the seesaw? What happened? Hosh tikane aaye. Samar Singh came into senses. Why it is said like that? He came into senses. Choti ja pahunchi choti par. Choti, while playing there in the seesaw, she reached there at the top. What about Samar Singh? Samar Singh chakraye. Samar Singh, he fell down there on the ground in the seesaw. So did you understand what happened? The comparison is being going on, and later on last what happened? Samar Singh, he was very arrogant and all his pride gone off, because that he understood that nothing is been happening. If he is fat, if he is long and all, nothing is going to happen. So what is the seek? What is the moral that you are getting from this chapter? हमें घमंड नहीं करना चाहिए. That is, we should not be arrogant. We should not be proud about ourselves. That we are very strong. We are fat, or we have lots of height. We should not be proud about ourselves, and we should not underestimate others also. All are equal. All the children are equal. That is what? That is the moral. That is the seek that you are getting from this chapter. So I'll recite the poem once again. Okay, so you also try to recite with me. Ready? समर सिंह ते बहुत अकड़ते, समर सिंह ते बहुत अकड़ते, चोटी कितनी छोटी, छोटी कितनी छोटी, मैं हूँ आलू भरा पराठा, मैं हूँ आलू भरा पराठा, छोटी पतली रोटी, छोटी पतली रोटी, मैं हूँ लंबा मोटा तगड़ा, मैं हूँ लंबा मोटा तगड़ा, छोटी पतली दुबली, छोटी पतली दुबली, मैं मोटा पट सनकर रस्सा, मैं मोटा पट सनकर रस्सा, छोटी कच्ची सुतली, छोटी कच्ची सुतली, लेकिन जब बैठे सीसौ पर, लेकिन जब बैठे सीसौ पर, होश ठिकाने आए, होश ठिकाने आए, चोटी जा पहुंची चोटी पर, चोटी जा पहुंची चोटी पर, समर सिंह चकराए, समर सिंह चकराए. So did you understand that chapter? Now the meaning is given on the board. You need to write that. You need to underline that word and write down the meaning. So first one is akadte, arrogant, choti, small, aloo, potato, bhara, full, patli, thin, roti, bread, lamba, long, mota, fat, tagda, strong, dubli, slim. Now next words are patasan, jute, rasa, rope, kachi, row, sutli, thread, lekin, but, jab, when, baite, sit, hosh, sense, pahunchi, reach, choti, top. I'll repeat again. Akadte, arrogant, choti, small, aloo, potato, bhara, full, patli, thin, roti, bread, lamba, long, mota, fat, tagda, strong, dubli, slim. Patasan, jute, rasa, rope, kachi, row, sutli, thread, lekin, but, jab, when, baite, sit, hosh, sense, pahunchi, reach, choti, top. So these are the meanings. Now you need to write down these meanings and recite this poem for 5 times. Clear, children? So thank you.